I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need system updates and the Settings app open. That prevents odd behavior. First, check OS and app versions so data controls behave predictably. Once done, navigate to Settings, then Network or Connections, then Data Saver or Data Usage. Tap the Data Saver toggle to enable it. This immediately limits background data for most apps. Make sure to leave essential sync apps whitelisted if you rely on real-time messages or navigation. Now focus on app-level controls so you trim the big data consumers. In Data Saver details, review each app's background data permission and restrict anything that streams or auto-uploads large files. Once you identify heavy apps, streaming, social, cloud, disable background data for them. This stops uploads and autoplay when not on Wi-Fi. At the same time, whitelist essential apps like messaging, navigation, and banking so critical notifications still arrive without glitching. Finish by enabling adaptive or low data modes inside browsers and streaming apps to reduce quality and save bandwidth. Then monitor your mobile data usage for 48 to 72 hours and tweak per app settings if one app still consumes too much. If notifications or sync fail, temporarily disable Data Saver to confirm it's the cause. Make sure the problem persists before changing core app permissions. This isolates issues and keeps your data saving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.